So this is a review of the 3 last questions for April 24th, the mole review notes. There were 3 questions at the end that said try these, and those are the main ones that I graded. I just copied them down by hand here. So the first question is, how many copper atoms are in 3.56 grams of copper? So again, we're going to do the same way we did in class. We're going to underline like what we're looking for and circle what we start with. So we're looking for how many copper atoms. So how many copper atoms means that's what we're looking for. That's the part we don't know. So we're going to end our problem when we get to copper atoms. Okay? And we're going to start our problem, okay, with 3.56 grams of copper. Now to go from grams of something to atoms, we need to go through moles. So let's talk about how many moles we have. So the first step is to recognize, okay, we're going to want grams of copper to be in the denominator. So grams copper. Well, how many grams of copper would be in 1 mole of copper? So here I actually use my periodic table and I break out my grams of copper calculator. Aha. So I'm going to go down to copper. So over here I have copper right there. And if we look really closely, if we kind of zoom in, oh, 63.546. That is the atomic mass of copper. So 63.546 grams of copper means 1 mole of copper. So now we're going to delete the grams of copper. And now we have moles of copper, but we still don't have copper atoms. Well, what is the equivalence between moles and atoms? We know that 1 mole of anything, in this specific case copper, is always equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd representative particles. In this case, copper comes in small particles called atoms. So moles of copper is going to cross out. We're going to have atoms. So now we put this into our handy dandy calculator. So let's do that at this juncture. Okay, and we're going to do exactly what you see here. 3.56 divided by 63.546, okay, times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And we get something along the lines of 3.37 times 10 to the 22nd.